about 10 years ago from now, I had quite a few problems with my teeth, and I chanced upon Dr. Sheikh and his practice pretty much by chance, being quite near where I live. Had a meeting with him, talked about what the options were. I immediately formed a very good impression of him, trusted him quite quickly. There were a range of options ranging from just sorting stuff out with fillings and so on, to having I suppose a complete makeover. Well, I thought about that. I asked him for a quote, which gave me a very good detailed quote for the whole lot, the makeover as it were, and I decided to go ahead with that. I didn't talk to anybody else. Basically, I trusted him. It's very hard to know what you're letting yourself in for if you haven't got the experience. I didn't talk to anybody else who had either, so when I look back at that, I was taking a bit of a risk, but I think it paid off. So the treatment involved one implant, some crowns, some implants, and a brace, all done by the practice. The implant, the crowns, the veneer, done by Dr. Sheikh. There was also root canal treatment, which was done by the practice. Everything was included in the one quote. So when it came to actually having the treatment, I had several sessions for preparing the crowns. Dr. Sheikh assured me that it wouldn't take long, but, well, it took a bit longer than perhaps he was letting on, because it's a big job. You have to have all your teeth prepared, then he makes a temporary crowns. The crowns themselves came from the United States. I chose a fairly American Tom Cruise look. Well, maybe not quite Tom Cruise, but that was the idea. You see the teeth there. The bottom teeth had a brace put on. Apart from that, not much work done. So that was about 10 years ago. Since then, I've had very few problems. I think I had a veneer replaced by a crown, which Dr. Sheikh did at no extra charge. And I think a veneer fell off early days. Nothing really has gone wrong, so that's quite remarkable. I think I've had one additional sort of separate problem with my teeth, which required some treatment and a crown, which he did maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I think. So basically, conclusion. I would definitely recommend Dr. Sheikh in his practice for significant dental treatment, including crowns and implants and the whole shebang. He's not cheap, but he takes great pride in his practice and his people and his own professional approach to his work. I recommend it very highly, and there's no doubt really in my mind that anybody that goes to Dr. Sheikh and his practice, especially if it's for the more significant work, the implants, the crowns, you know, the sort of getting your teeth sorted out, basically, definitely would recommend him. So thank you, Dr. Sheikh. Very pleased to do this for you, and good luck with your practice going forward. Thank you very much.